Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Position the PlayStation and TV close to a power source so cables run straight. Connect the PS power lead, then insert the HDMI cable into the PS HDMI OUT port. Make sure it clicks. On the TV, use the remote to select the exact HDMI input you used, HDMI 1 or HDMI 2. Once the TV input is set, keep both devices off until the next step, so the TV can detect the console cleanly when you power on. Turn the TV on first, then press the PlayStation power button and watch for the startup logo. This order helps with input detection. Follow the console's setup prompts. Choose language, sign into your account, and connect to Wi-Fi or Ethernet. When asked about resolution, pick 1080p for most TVs or 4K if your TV supports it. HDR settings may appear. Enable if your display supports HDR. Make sure audio output matches your setup. TV speakers, HDMI ARC, or an external receiver. Finish by updating the PlayStation system software when prompted and rebooting. Updates fix compatibility and display issues. Launch a game or the dashboard to verify picture quality and audio sync, and make small TV picture mode tweaks for sharpness and motion. If you see no signal, try swapping HDMI ports or a different high-speed HDMI cable. Force the PS to 1080p in safe mode, and confirm HDCP settings are enabled. Those steps usually resolve the common connection failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.